The Language Digitization Initiative, which is which is under Translation Commons, is an effort to bring language technologies to many of the world's languages, as many as possible. And we are working on a series of training workshops, and several of the people on this call are involved in this effort. The series of workshops are supporting the International Decade of Indigenous Languages, but are not specifically bound by that time frame or that set of participants. And the goal is simply to provide training for communities and community leaders to use the digital technologies to help all languages around the world and their practitioners to become most successful as successful as possible. And what we are hoping to do is get your feedback on some of these topics and potential topics, and perhaps find ways that we can best tailor this to the needs of your communities, your students, your colleagues. These are some of the topics that we're talking about. Input methods, simply basic ways that people will be able to type in languages using different keyboards and other methods. Fonts, another technology area, but also terminology workshops, which directly relates to what Sue Ellen has talked about. We also would like to talk about the different stages of digitization. Maybe a workshop would be appropriate for a particular level of digitization. Maybe a workshop could be covering the whole field in broad strokes and then focus on individual needs. Data gathering methods, helping people learn how to gather data in a consistent and useful way. And we're open to your new suggestions. So the questions we have for you, and we won't have time to discuss this fully now, but we look for your emails and comments and suggestions. Are these topics interesting to you, and would they be useful to you? And what other things would you like us to look at in developing these? And what details should each of these actually cover, in what level? There are different formats that we could present these in. We could present these as interactive workshops where people are actually hands-on with technology, or they could be lectures or other formats. Of course, we would like to record these to make them available to people who can't attend live.